Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Beedrill. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head with a teardrop shape like this. So we're going to curve it up, towards the right, and then back in like this. Let's draw the eyes next. Inside, let's draw a curve over to the right and then curve it back in like this. And now inside at the top, let's draw an oval. Now we're going to draw the other eye on the left side with the curve. And then add a circle inside near the top. Next, let's add the antenna above the head. Let's start inside at the top here, and we're going to draw a curve up. And then angle it down to the left. Now at the end, let's draw a line down. And then we're going to follow those same curves. So we're going to curve it back up and back down to the head like this. And now at the end, let's close it off with a small line. Now let's draw one more of these shapes to the right, but going upwards. So start with the curve up near the top here, and then a curve over to the left. Now let's follow that same shape. And then close it off at the bottom. Next, let's erase the headlines inside. Let's draw the body next, starting with the first section. Under the head, let's draw a curve down like this. And then another curve on the right to close it off. Next, let's draw the bottom section of the body. So starting on the left side, let's draw a curve down like this. And then another one on the right, stopping here, leaving a gap in between. Now at the bottom in that gap, let's draw a V shape. Next at the bottom, at the top of the V shape, let's draw two curves inwards, leaving a gap in between in the center. Next, let's add the stripes on this section of the body. So let's start and draw a curve near the top here. And then another curve under it. And then one more stripe at the bottom with two more curves. That's it for the body sections. Now let's draw the arms next. Let's start with the left side. From the left side of the body under the head, let's draw a curve out like this. And then continue it on the left side of the head outwards here. Now underneath this one, let's draw a bent line. Next, from the top line, let's draw a curve down and past the other line like this. And then from the top, we're going to draw an angle down and out. And then from the bottom line, a curve like this. Now at the end, let's draw a curve across the bottom like this. And then a large V shape at the end. And lastly, inside, let's draw two curves with a gap in between. Let's draw the right arm now. Let's move inside the body, and on the right side, we're going to draw an angle down to the side like this. And then from the top and the bottom, we're going to draw curves out towards the right. Now let's connect the end with an angled line. Next, let's erase the body line inside the arm. Now let's move to the outside of the arm and we're going to draw an angled line up at the end here. And then 2 more diagonals up. Now at the end, let's draw a large curve. And then a large pointed shape up. And again, we're going to add the 2 curves inside, leaving a gap in the center. And that's it for the arms. Let's draw the legs next. Let's start with the left side. On the left, underneath the arm, let's draw a curved line down and out like this. And then an angle down at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down, bring it back up, and curve it down like this. Next, at the end, let's draw a small curve across. Now for the outside, let's angle it down, stopping about here. Now on the right side, let's draw a small curve here, and then a longer one, stopping here. Now hopping back to the left side, we're going to draw a curve down, curving out to the left, and then down again like this. Now let's add one more curve at the bottom for the bottom of the foot. Let's draw the right leg now. Let's start inside the top body section in the bottom right, and we're going to draw a curve all the way down towards the right like this. And then another one above it, we're going to extend this one past the body like this. Then at the end, let's angle it down. And then an angle on the bottom side as well. Now underneath, let's bring it down and then angle it out towards the right, stopping here. And then on the right, a curve stopping around the same level. Now at the end, let's angle both sides inwards. Now on the outside, let's curve it down for the top of the foot. Now to finish off the foot, let's angle it down and then curve it down towards the bottom. And lastly, for this leg, let's erase any of the lines inside. Next, let's draw Beedrill's wings. Let's draw the one on the top left first. Let's start above the head and we're going to draw a curve up, bringing it back down and up towards the body. Next, let's erase any of the lines that overlap the antenna and the arm. This way, the wing is behind everything. Then for the wing underneath, let's draw a curve down like this. And then again, let's erase that line that overlapped the leg. Let's draw the top right wing now. Let's start above the back and we're going to draw a curve up, back down, and in. And again, let's erase that line on the hand here. And then for the bottom wing, a large curve on the right side down to the leg. Next, let's add the patterns inside the wings, starting with the top left one. So let's start on the top, and we're going to draw an angled line down inside here. And then angle it down towards the right. Now let's move over behind the other antenna, and we're going to draw an angled line down. And then one more angle below it here. And now let's draw a vertical line in between these two here in the center. And lastly, for this section, we're going to draw one more angle underneath the arm at the bottom. Let's move underneath and let's do the bottom section now. Let's add a diagonal across the top here. Then an angle down, and then one more under the leg. Now let's hop back up to the top right wing. Let's start next to the hand here, and we're going to draw an angle stopping here. And then angle it up towards the top. Next, let's start towards the inside left, and we're going to draw an angle up and out like this, and then continue it on the other side slightly. And now at the end, let's angle it down and out. And then bring it back in and continue that line on the other side. Next, on top of the shape, let's draw another angle line out. And then underneath of it, another angle stopping here, and then angling it back down to the bottom. And then one more line between these lines here. And now for the last section of the wing, let's start at the top and draw a small angle here. And then we're going to angle it down towards the right. Now underneath, another angle stopping here, and then angling it downwards. And lastly, one more line in between these. And that's it for Beedrill. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!